In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. You need to begin by going into Play Store and downloading free recorder app. Just type in Samsung voice recorder. And get this free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Continue. Select Skip. Tap on Accept and use this red button at the bottom. Now you need to select while using the app, Allow, and click on the red button again, this time to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. If you wish to delete your recording right away, pause it and hit discard on the left. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to add a bookmark, your recording needs to be unpaused when you click on this little pin. Type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. To end it and save it though, just click on the right button wherever you want to. Then hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, you can click on those three dots. Select Rename. Type in wherever you want to and hit OK. To delete it though, you can click on the same three dots, select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up, or simply hold your recording and use this bin at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!